Namaste, Adab, very good life to you. I am Dr. Kanchan Gupta to describe about an Ayurvedic, the most ancient Unani homeopathic Tibetan medicine, which is called Onosmodium virginianum, known as false groom well, gravel weed, wild job's tears. It's known as go jihva, means go means the cow and jihva means the tongue, the cow's tongue in Sanskrit, and in Urdu it's known as go zuban. Go means the cow and zuban means the tongue because the leaves resemble to the cow's tongue, always moist with white spots and in shape very similar to cow's tongue. It's one of the best remedy to act on our sexual system to improve libido, to treat syphilis, sexual disorders, and sexual neurasthenia, as it acts on our nervous system, so it cures the diseases about our brain, such as chronic or acute headaches of any kind, the frontal headache, chronic migraines, trigeminal neuralgias, hemicrania, the half-sided headache, vertigo, dizziness, giddiness, the Meniere's disease, severe pain behind the eyeball, glaucoma, tension in eyes, tension and stiffness at neck, nervous exhaustion, epilepsy, hysteria, seizures, and fainting, as resembling to the cow's tongue, which always remains moist with discharge of excess of saliva, same as coolness of cow's tongue. This remedy, Gojihva, the Gozvan onosmodium, has cooling effect on our body in Ayurveda. It balances the Vata and Pitta dosh, the air and fire elements in our body. Onosmodium acts on our nervous system and muscular system to treat severe prostration, mental and physical fatigue, the tiredness, weakness, chronic and acute cases of tingling in limbs due to great weakness and exhaustion and weariness. By acting on our brain, it treats poor memory, confusion, lack of concentration, forgetfulness, stress, anxiety, strain. It's a nerve tonic to cure nerve pains. It's available as supplements or as homeopathic and Unani medicines by famous branded pharmaceuticals such as Ayurvedic Sanjeevani Bhatti and Chyawanprash, the energy boosters curing so many diseases. It's available in form of tablets called vattis, paste called avleha, syrup, and in powder form. In Unani system, onosmodium is available in paste form with precious gems and stones and silver foil, prepared by so many Unani pharmacies in India such as Hamdard and so on. Its oil is also available. Its decoction is made by using its leaves. It cures muscular weakness, nervous exhaustion, vaginal discharges, anosmodium maintains and keeps moisture in our internal different parts, the vital organs, and to fight against dryness of mouth, skin, dry eyes syndrome, xeroderma, the dryness of skin, dryness of vagina. Today again, I have tried my best to educate the Ayurvedic, Unani, and homeopathic students and practitioners and get benefited by my attempt to fill the picture with ocean of knowledge. I hope that you must have liked my lectures. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you.